What's going on, everybody? This is the FanDude21 once again, and this is one of my more oddball box fans, probably around the mid 60s. This is an international box fan, and it is quite a deluxe model. This thing has a 5-speed push button control, yes, 5 speeds, electrically reversible with thermostat, and also a pilot light. All the controls are mounted in the center. As you can see, the fan sits toward the back, and you can see on the fan has a built-in air diffuser grill, which is metal, welded to the front grill of the fan. We're going to show you the back, show you more of a clear shot of the blades. Pretty neat fan. I got this fan off eBay, and as soon as I saw it, I had to have it because I've always been a big fan of the retro stars of thing on certain things from the 60s, and this one I saw all the stars on this bottom of this badge, and I said, man, I had to have it. So I got it. Unfortunately, the thing wasn't really had much care in packaging when it was shipped, and the result of it, it damaged the switch, the switch is just a big push button module, which is probably damn near impossible to replace. And also the dial on the thermostat would have been quite a bit wider, and it's all smashed off. But what happened was that something hit literally right here on the exhaust and reverse buttons and pushed them in together, breaking one of the slides that are inside of the switch to actuate the contacts to do the function that it's supposed to. So now the fan no longer does reverse, which actually is intake, because this is, if you had the fan in a window, this is what would be showing in. So the fan doesn't blow air this way, it blows air that way only. And it would do it, but this is a capacitor start motor, and the reason why it won't work in reverse is because the capacitor does not get power once the reverse button is pushed anymore. I even replaced the slide inside of it. I made a plastic replacement which works. However, like I said, the switch is falling apart. It's real finicky, so I don't really use this fan very much. But I'll just shut up here and let you see it running. So we'll go ahead and start it on. It's going to be quite difficult to push. The switch is finicky, and there's low speed there. All the way low. And you can see the power light lit up on the back, on the bottom. So the low speed on this thing is very low. This fan are more reliable to be used on a daily basis. It definitely would be a perfect nighttime runner. It's a bit of a shame because these are pretty rare fans. I think I have the only example. So there's a second speed. Very quiet still, but now you can hear some movement through the blades. Take it up to speed 3. Take it up to speed 4. finally high. I'm going to show you the back side when they're running. Pretty good air movement. Going to show you the thermostat, which does work. And as you can see, the pilot light's still lit up with the thermostat being engaged, and it'll shut off as soon as I push the off button on the power switch. One thing I forgot to mention, this fan does use a universal motor capacitor start, like I mentioned before. So like I said, it is a shame that the fan is the way it is now, but one thing that's nice is at least it still runs. So I thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this rather odd international box fan from about the mid-60s. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.